How to upload longer videos to Instagram stories. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the new update on Instagram, now you can upload longer videos more than 15 seconds to Instagram stories. For this, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram updated on your device. After that, just tap on Instagram and then tap on your story. Now, select any of the video that you want to upload and then tap on your story. This might take a while to upload the full story on Instagram. As you can see, I have already added a 1 minute of the story to the video. And you can see that it has been uploaded without splitting into two. So this is how you can upload longer videos to Instagram stories now. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.